Oh great, the Batwing-style TV antenna on my Freedom Express camper isn't working right. It doesn't want to raise or lower smoothly and it's hard to rotate. Not a problem, this is actually a super easy fix, so let's hop to it. Batwing antennas are still one of the best TV antennas for RVs and campers. They have decent reception and are directional, which helps you pull in even more TV channels. Unlike the new fixed omnidirectional antennas, they have a few moving parts, so occasionally they need a bit of TLC to keep them operating correctly. Mine is obviously overdue for service and it basically won't retract back on the roof. I'm going to do a quick maintenance on it and it will be working as good as new. A couple of words of caution. It's important to never try to force the antenna. The gears and handle are only nylon and you can easily end up breaking them. Also, to do this job you need to get up on the roof of your camper, so be sure you have a decent ladder and you feel comfortable doing it. This is actually taking me longer to set up to do this job than it will take me to complete it. Here are the things you will need to do this. You will need a flat, thin blade screwdriver, a crescent wrench or channel lock pliers, and a can of spray silicone. This brand has a nozzle tube which will come in handy for this job. Use only spray silicone lube. Other oils and greases can make a mess, attract dirt, and possibly damage your roof membrane. Start by inspecting the antenna mechanisms. Be sure there is nothing jammed in it like branches or road debris. Check to see if it's bent or damaged. If so, then you will need to do more work on it than I'm covering here. If everything looks good, take your wrench or pliers and remove this plug. You will see the top of the shaft that goes down to the hand crank inside the camper. There is a worm gear on it that engages the elevator gear, which lifts and lowers the antenna. Check both of these gears for damage or excessive wear. In a majority of situations, the only problems you will have is like what I have here. The antenna mechanism just needs to be lubricated. Spray the silicone on the worm gear. Give it a pretty good shot. Next, take the screwdriver and pop off this small plug. Insert the spray tube and give it a decent dose of silicone. This will lubricate the turntable so you can adjust the antenna's direction. Now climb back down the ladder and go into the camper and rotate the antenna all the way from stop to stop. Do it a few times to get the silicone really worked in. Run the crank mechanism up and down to work in the lubrication. It should work smoothly. If it still feels like it's binding or it's stuck, get a helper to run the mechanisms while you give it a gentle assist from the roof. If it still isn't working right, parts are readily available through Amazon to replace anything that you need to. You can see I need to order a new coax boot. Don't forget to replace the plugs. Make sure they are on securely. Give a quick shot of silicone to the 4 pivot points. This job is so easy you should probably do it every 1 or 2 years, and your antenna will keep working like you expect it to. I hope this helps. Don't forget to high-five the like icon, jingle the bell, and please subscribe. Until next time, keep camping and keep watching TV.